Welcome back. Please remember to subscribe, smash that red button. Also, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today, I will share with you how to make an amazing sweet kale with spinach, avocado, and one important oil. You just need 1 drop of that oil into your shake. So let's get started. I have the blender here with 1 cup of ice, 1 cup of baby spinach. You can use any spinach of your choice. I just love using different species of spinach. I have kale. We know that kale is very bitter, so if you're using kale, if you're trying to make kale smoothies, remember to take off this end here. I don't know what it's called. The stalk over here is very bitter, so I also love adding some plant fat. Is the key to your cardio. I have half avocado. However, this avocado is a little bit oxidated, and this is the only avocado I have at home. I will use half of this avocado, small or medium avocado. And I love adding this shake. This is vegan, it's gluten free. It's loaded with so many different kinds of grain in here. It has some avocado here. It has some spinach, so many other grains in here. But what I love about this is it has 1 serving of these have 80% of vitamin K. It also have 35% iron. It has vitamin C, it has calcium, it has vitamin A, and it has 5% of sodium in 1 serving. So 1 spoon of this shake, green shake, contains 110 calories. However, this is 1 spoon. This is 1 spoon, 110 calories. But I'm gonna cut it in half. So I'm using about just half of this, which is 60 calories. And I'm going to blend this up together into a smoothie. So now the shake is ready. You're gonna turn it up, turn up. So the last thing you want to add 1 teaspoon of black seed oil. Black seed oil in my language is called oil. It takes care of 90% diseases out there. It's very strong, it's powerful, helps to relieve arthritis, helps to relieve inflammation, aid in hair growth, help to control high blood pressure, cholesterol, any kind of pain, sore joints, muscle that you have in your body. Call on black seed oil. So, guys, you know why this is one of the best drinks that you can ever drink? It does not have the sugar from all the fruits. The more sugar you consume into your system, the more it's harder for you to burn fat and calories. In the next video, in the few days to come, I will narrow down the kind of fruit and vegetables that might not be good for you if you are losing weight because of the sugar content of those fruits. And this can serve as a meal replacement if you're looking into losing weight. You have mostly all the nutrients and it's very filling. You can have this first thing you get up in the morning or lastly before you go to bed. So guys, thank you so much for your time and remember to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.